morning, welcome to our channel once again. So day 9 of our ride. We are here in Amritsar. Pretty cold, 9 degree. It's still single digit temperature. Getting ready now. We'll go towards the Golden Temple. We'll see if we can Matha Tekufai there. And from there I think we will go to Jallianwala Bagh and then Wagah border. Lot of things to do today. But very less time. सब कुछ fast करना है. See you at Golden Temple. It took us almost an hour to get the darshan inside. Very crowded. Ultimately, it was peaceful. So, guys, we have reached Jallianwala Bagh. I guess you all know the history about this place, so I'm not going to repeat it. So, we are just seeing around the place. We are running little short on time because from here we have to go to Wagah border. It's almost 1 and we were planning to leave by 2. Let's see if we can quickly wrap up this place and then go straight towards hotel, change and then directly go to Wagah border. We are going towards the wall where you have the bullet marks. I didn't feel like vlogging much about here because this is not a place where you feel proud about, take pictures, take selfie. So many thousand innocent people lost their life, for the freedom of our country. So somehow I'm not having a very good feeling about this place. I have clicked few pictures, just taken a few shots. I feel that it's a very depressing place. I would not want to spend much time here. No offense against the people who lost their life. It's just that my respect for them that I don't think so I can, I know what pain they have gone through, but I think that's about it. We will go out from here. I don't know. Guys, we have reached the Wagah border, Attari border.
Bike is there somewhere.
So apparently we cannot carry our helmets and the bag. So we will have to deposit the helmets and the bag somewhere in the counter. We are going towards that counter. The show starts at 4:15. We have exactly 1 hour. So we are hurrying up. Yes, sir. पॉसिबल नहीं है, but then yes, the way they lift their leg. So after Attari, we are back to Amritsar. After we had prasad in Golden Temple, we didn't have anything. Like we skipped lunch because we had to reach Wagah border as early as possible. After finishing that, we came back to the city. We went to this place called Mama Meat.
Meat Mama.
Meat Mama Meat. Mama Meat. Yeah. Exact address is here. So they serve amazing mutton. What do you call that?
One was mutton chop.
Mutton chop and mutton tikka.
Tikka bulgogi.
I don't remember exactly the name. And both the items were prepared in desi ghee. It's like
Must visit, right?
yeah, it's a must visit place. They have like one guy from US, I think. He came down here in Amritsar and he visited some must visit place that you should go and have food. This was one of them. So we also went there, had food. We were completely mind blown by the food that we had. We wanted to keep having more and more, but we had to come back as well. Oh yeah, and so the owners of the restaurant, he was quite kicked about us coming from Karnataka all the way up till here, that we knew about his place. So he was letting us have the food for free. Like आप लोग इतने दूर से आए हैं तो आपसे कैसे पैसा ले सकते हैं? But we insisted कि no, we should pay. So total bill was some 600. I think we paid 400. Yeah.
वो भी बहुत मैं बोला इसीलिए.
हाँ, वो भी बहुत बोलने के बाद ही agreed कि okay fine, give me at least like something. So we didn't feel like having food without paying, and food that we loved, we liked. From there we have come here to this place called Gyani ka chai.
Tea stall.
Gyani tea stall. That is also another must visit place here in Amritsar. They give you nice chai. After a long tiring day, I think a cup of tea is, a glass of tea is really needed.